How to fix WhatsApp was unable to start the camera. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for WhatsApp. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now, tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the WhatsApp application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, in Settings itself, go ahead and scroll down and tap on the Apps option and scroll down again and tap on the WhatsApp option. Make sure the camera toggle button is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and toggle on the camera toggle button, and by now your WhatsApp camera should be working just fine. So this is how you can fix WhatsApp was unable to start the camera. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.